The heat map represents performance across process layers and nodes. Modeled using a deep neural network, DNN, structure for ISO 21001 in the education sector. Each layer reflects progressive processing stages, and each node corresponds to a sub-process. Capturing the influence of inputs such as curriculum design, faculty management, and resource allocation. The color intensity reflects node-wise performance, where deeper layers simulate learned transformations. Designed by Pradeep K. Suri, this AI-driven visualization helps institutions evaluate operational quality and academic effectiveness using a structured neural model approach. Explanation of the video, Outcome of DNN Architecture. Title, Process Layer-Wise Heat Map of Performance AI Model for ISO 21001 in Education Sector. By Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Brain. What the image represents. This image is a heat map that visualizes the internal behavior and performance tracking of a deep neural network, DNN, designed for evaluating and improving processes aligned with ISO 21001, management systems for educational organizations. X-axis, process layers represents the layers of the DNN model, from layer 1 to layer 9. Each layer simulates a deeper level of abstraction similar to how neural networks process feature hierarchically. For example, Layer 1 simulate basic input processing like student data ingestion. Layer 9 reflect aggregated output such as institutional learning outcomes. Y-axis, nodes represents individual processing units or sub-process nodes, node 1, 2, 3, within each layer. Each node correspond to a different educational activity such as curriculum planning, faculty performance, student engagement analysis. Color intensity, Z values indicates the performance score, from 60 to 100, of each node within each layer. Dark green/yellow, high performance, 90 to 100. Blue/purple, lower performance, 60 to 75. This allows educators and institutional managers to identify strengths and weaknesses at each layer/node level. Microscope. How this reflects DNN architecture. The heat map simulates the forward pass of a neural network through multiple hidden layers, each transforming inputs through weights and activation functions. Each colored square is a representation of a node's performance metric, analogous to neuron activation or layer output values. By mapping ISO 21001 processes to this DNN structure, input data rightward arrow passes through layers, simulating school processes. Hidden transformations rightward arrow simulate how various factors, example teacher feedback, student success rate, interact. Final output rightward arrow is a performance score that indicates efficiency, compliance, and quality of educational delivery. Pushpin. Key benefits of this DNN-based visualization. 1. Quantifies performance, converts abstract ISO process evaluations into measurable and comparable scores. 2. Identifies process bottlenecks, layers/nodes with low performance can be flagged for review and improvement. 3. Supports strategic planning, offers insights into accreditation, audits, and continuous improvement in educational institutions. The Python program AI model visualizes, video, the performance heat map across multiple process layers and nodes inspired by a deep neural network, DNN, structure tailored for ISO 21001 in the education sector. In a DNN model, data flows through interconnected layers of processing units, nodes, each responsible for transforming inputs into meaningful outputs through learned weights and activations. The heat map mirrors this structure by representing layers as columns, layer 1 to layer 9, and nodes as rows, node 1 to node 3, simulating how multiple operational factors, example curriculum design, faculty management, pass through successive learning stages to impact educational outcomes like academic performance and operational reporting. This architecture is translated into the program using Plotly's heat map visualization, where each cell reflects the simulated performance value of a particular node in a specific layer. The color scale visually represents the intensity of performance, allowing stakeholders to instantly identify strong and weak process areas. The model's title highlights the author and architect, Pradeep K. Suri, showcasing the AI-driven framework behind the visualization. The dark-themed layout aligns with modern data visualization standards, enhancing readability and impact for decision makers in academic quality and compliance environments. Thank you.